Everyone, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send audio messages with Siri in iOS 14. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to activate Siri and say send audio message to whomever. Send audio message to the blast. And she'll say, okay, recording, go ahead and say what you want your recording to say. Hello, my friends. Hello, my friends. And then once it's done, it'll give you a little thing to replay it if you want. And you can either cancel it or send it. I'm going to go ahead and hit that send button. And that is sent. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.